You've also been credited for securing new rights for women and girls. Tell us about that.
I've done a lot of pro bono work throughout my career, and I owe my entire career of appellate law towards a case that I worked on in the U.S. Supreme Court involving exactly that, rights of women and girls. There was a judge in Tennessee. His brother was the local DA, and if he was doing anything untoward, it was very unlikely that he would be prosecuted locally. And along the way, they heard these stories of these women who had pretty horrific stories of how the judge had threatened to take their kids away if he didn't sexually engage with them. It was not pretty, and it really appeared to be a significant abuse of power. And the government decided to prosecute him for those criminal civil rights prosecution, and he was convicted. And then his conviction was overturned on appeal. And so I was asked to write an amicus brief in that case, and the court reversed. So it was very satisfying. My first appellate case, essentially with my own strategy and working on this with my team, and then winning every year since then. I've been involved in various cases at the U.S. Supreme Court or in our California Supreme Court or California courts or even the international courts. I've done a few cases which I would say I'm most proud of in my career. Against Mexico, it'd be Inter-American Court of Human Rights for the murders and disappearances of women and young girls in Ciudad Juarez, which continued for decades without any prosecutions, at least valid prosecutions, and no investigation. That decision helped create international law interpreting women's rights treaties for the first time in the entire world.